Mom! You're like...
We're supposed to close my mouth.
It's because you got gas.
Alright, I'll take it out. Are you starting?
How you doing it?
I farted in GameStop today and the guy looked at me funny.
Ouch, this hurts.
Taking it out the right way? No, the wrong way, you stupid butt.
Oh, it's burning. That's gross.
My poop burns sometimes. Ah, that hurt! Oh, you pierced my cheek. Hey, can you hurry up and grab the other earring?
Maybe. I have a bad feeling.
Come on, giddy up.
Brad.
Right. I have a really bad feeling. Just don't put that on the couch. I just totally missed.
You doing it yourself?
Come on, Chris.
No, let it do it!
Don't
Excuse
swallow
me.
that.
Oh my god, it's not Brad.
But then wipe it.
You touch it, because if I touch it, you're gonna scream.
No,
Aim
just
at
wipe
me.
it. No, it doesn't hurt. Got you.
Ah, don't grip my ear.
Put your ear behind your ear.
He's gonna jump. He's take a big.
There's a big chunk of bloody skin on it, and I think I'm gonna throw up.
Oh!
Dude, come here, look at it, let me see it. See it?
Yeah, buddy.
Look at Mom. Look
Can't
at
even
Mom.
stop it, that's gross.